Dorner presents RTE Conveyors, custom conveyor systems for ready-to-eat production lines. Dorner's RTE systems are ideal for production of a wide variety of ready-to-eat food options, including sandwiches, burritos, salads, pizzas, wraps, meal kits, Parfait cups, and much more. With today's ever-changing consumer demands for on-the-go food options, the ability to quickly and easily reconfigure and adapt to product changes is essential. This unique system creates RTE assembly lines that are customizable, ergonomic, hygienic, and allow for ease of sanitation in less time without sacrificing worker safety. At the base of a Dorner RTE system is an Aqua Pruf, TIG-welded, hygienic stainless steel conveyor. Dorner's Aqua Pruf conveyors meet USDA, NSF, and AMI design specifications and use FDA Approved belting and components. The conveyor's flexible mounting system allows you to customize your RTE line with a wide variety of options and accessories. Add-on options include cutting tables, packaging supplies, ingredient storage, power distribution, emergency stop options, wire control, custom guiding, and more. The easily reconfigurable mounting system features tool-free removal of almost all components, minimizing downtime during product changeovers and cleanings. Dorner's Aqua Pruf RTE conveyors feature tip-up tails, belt lifters, and frame cutouts for fast and reliable sanitation. Each conveyor is thoughtfully designed to balance worker safety with ease of access. Dorner's RTE conveyor systems can be built to any length and width to meet your needs. The system features integrated control panels, sanitary drive options, and durable stand designs. A variety of positive drive and modular belt options are also available. Dorner conveyors come standard with the peace of mind of the Dorner 10-year warranty. Talk to a Dorner representative today to find out if an RTE conveyor system is the right solution for your facility. Dorner RTE conveyors, ready-to-eat assembly systems designed to increase throughput, maximize flexibility, reduce changeover, and exceed food safety standards.